Your name is Asri, right?
Yes, that's right, ma'am.
Very well. My name is Marisna. I am the head of the IT expert department in this company.
Nice to meet you.
So, do you know what we are going to do?
Yes, ma'am. I was emailed and called by in order to have a job interview to this company 3 days ago.
Very well. Can you tell me about yourself, Asri?
My name is Asriyana Rofifa. I am 20 years old. I graduated from SMK Harapan Bangsa, majoring in computer and network engineering.
What are your hobbies, Asri?
My hobbies are reading books about history and novels. I also like traveling.
Where did you get information about this job?
I got this job information for the internet advertised on Suratku ID on January 10, 2024.
You are applying for the IT Express specialist. Do you have any experience in this job?
No, ma'am. This is my first time to apply for a job.
What made you decide to apply for this position?
I think IT expert is the right position for me. That's why I course computer and network engineering. I am sure that my abilities and talents will bring success to company.
What do you know about this position?
I am aware that this position requires mastery in multiple creative tools such as web tools, basic computer, and proficient in several software.
What can convince us to hear you?
I believe that I am the best fit for this position because I have the proven skill of software development through the certification.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
One of my strengths is my time management. One of my weakness is that I lost my focus easily.
How do you deal with pressure?
For this couple of months, I have started practicing meditation and mindfulness every day for 15-30 minutes. To my surprise, I really help me to manage my stress at work.
What makes you uncomfortable?
As an introvert, I sometimes find it difficult to interact with people for a long time. However, I have developed an effective communication skill to maintain good relationship with my coworkers.
Well, it was a great time to have a little talk with you, Asri. We will announce the result of your interview in a week. Thank you for coming to take part in today's interview.
Yes, thank you.